Hello my darlings and welcome! In this video I craft a wreath to decorate my altar for Ostara and the spring equinox. I want to celebrate spring flowers, pastel colors, and colorful eggs. Let's do some magical crafting. For this wreath project, I wanted to represent spring flowers as well as using a couple of sprays of eggs to represent Ostara and the spring equinox. My plan is to use lots of roses and hydrangea. This magical craft is created with faux greenery and flowers so that the wreath can be reused for many years, and I'll link to all of the materials I used below. If you enjoy my magical crafting and DIY content, kindly leave a like on this video. I'm starting with a large grapevine wreath that's about 12 inches wide. This wreath is meant to be hung on the wall behind my altar. You can make your Ostara wreath any size you like. The next step is to hot glue all of the greenery and florals around the wreath, starting with greenery and leaves, and then adding sprays of faux eggs and hydrangea and roses in clusters. I'm working from the top in a clockwise fashion. The wreath will be visually weighted at the bottom, with a sparse amount of flowers at the top and an abundant number of blooms at the bottom. The spring or vernal equinox is when we celebrate the time of balance between winter and summer. The days and nights are the same length on this day of balance. The days are getting warmer, and it's time for the hares to begin their dances in the fields, and the sparrows to sing about the return of spring and awaken the sleeping goddess Ostara. The vernal equinox is also about finding balance. It's a time to shed the old and embrace the new. This is a season in which to explore a new endeavor. Ostara is about embracing the fresh and new hopes, aspirations, spells, and desires. I like to find some time to really think about what I want to achieve in the coming months, knowing that what I plant during Ostara will be ready to be harvested during the coming summer months. It's also the perfect time to spring clean both your home and other aspects of your life. If you enjoy my magical crafting and DIY content, kindly leave a like on this video. I hope this video provides you some ideas on how to make your own Ostara decor to celebrate the spring equinox, and I hope you have a blessed Ostara season. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of this video without additional comment.